The current wave of layoffs rippling through the Indian tech sector looks like a temporary market correction, but the data suggests a permanent structural shift. This represents 18 million nodes, the number of Indian white-collar jobs projected to be impacted by AI automation by 2030. In contrast, only 3 million new technical roles will emerge to replace them. That leaves a net loss of 15 million jobs. While corporate messaging often uses soft language like redefined roles to describe this transition, for many, the reality is that the tasks making up their daily work are simply being removed from human hands. This 15 million job gap is a projection built on the logic of current investments. As market expert Sora Mukherjee warns, "Abhi to ye trailer hai." We are only seeing the start of this displacement. To understand why this shift is happening so quickly, we have to look at the financial architects of the crisis, the American hyperscalers. Microsoft is currently leading a massive global push to integrate artificial intelligence into every layer of enterprise software. At the same time, Alphabet is locked in a fierce capital arms race to scale its own AI infrastructure. The scale of this race is staggering. These companies collectively poured $800 billion into AI chips, data centers, and training in the last 12 months. For context, that one-year investment roughly equals 25. That pressure is felt most directly in India's global capability centers, the offshore hubs that handle the technical backend for Western firms. Currently, AI systems are operating at roughly 50% human reliability for many coding and technical tasks. This progress meter illustrates the immediate threat. These systems are expected to reach 90 to 100% reliability within the next 2 to 3 years. GCC operators are already preparing for this reality. An EY survey found that nearly 60% of these centers are already investing in autonomous agentic AI. This pie chart maps a white-collar worker's daily tasks. 42% of their workflow can be augmented by AI. Critically, 24% of tasks are fully automatable right now, meaning they are removed from human responsibility entirely. For any GCC operator, paying a human salary for work a machine can do instantly is a financial liability. This efficiency gap is what triggers the layoffs. We have entered the execution phase, where AI is moving from a boardroom experiment to a tool for human resource reduction. The tasks being automated, routine coding and data entry, have traditionally served as the foundational stepping stones for the Indian middle class. This mass elimination of entry-level roles is an intended outcome of the $800 billion hyperscalers have invested in automation. Those 3 million new roles expected by 2030 will look very different. They will focus on managing and auditing AI systems rather than performing the manual digital work themselves. Workers have a very tight time frame to adapt before AI hits that 90% reliability threshold in the next 36 months. The trailer has ended. Surviving this economic shift requires moving away from automatable labor and becoming the architect of the very machines designed to replace you.